Hi, it's Kayla, and today I wanted to talk to you about this sound machine. So I've had the sound machine for a few years, and it's an absolute staple when traveling, especially. So there's this volume dial right here that allows you to adjust the volume. You have sounds like thunder, ocean, brook, summer night, rain, and then you're also going to have white noise. So you have a bunch of different options to choose from. The volume button really allows for a lot of control over how much, lets you make it actually really loud and really, really quiet. There's a good range. There's also a timer function, so you can set it for a few hours or 30 minutes, whatever it is that you'd like, and it just plugs right into your wall. Definitely a must-have sound machine.